Hey y'all, hey, we are in my kitchen and it is the one area in my home that is abundant with lies, deceit, and deception, because from the naked eye, it does look like it's clean all the time. Well, some of the time. But anyway, today it kind of looks clean, but y'all, it is covered in grease, and there are certain areas of this kitchen that I just did not clean in previous videos. If you have been following my channel for a while now, I did do my cabinets and my drawers not too long ago, but I did miss a couple of areas, and that is for a purpose, because Super Clean sent me some products that they wanted me to try in this video. I guess they just wanted to help your girl out because I have problems in this kitchen with grease, and so I'm very excited to open the box that they sent me to see what I am going to be using today in my kitchen. But as far as the areas that I'm going to be cleaning above my kitchen cabinets, I will let you guys see it up close and personal because it is a hot mess express. I just know it. I'm also going to be tackling my refrigerator, the top part of it. I'm going to be removing the boxes, anything that shouldn't be up there that I have been looking at since October. I will be removing in this video and cleaning that very well. And I'm also going to be removing my stove. I'm going to be pulling it from the wall. I have not done this since I moved into this house, so I'm already going to say that I'm ashamed and embarrassed, because I know from the jump that it's going to be an embarrassing moment here on this channel. But y'all know I keep it very real and raw, so we're going to get into it, so keep watching.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better.
So in the box there was the all-wheel cleaner, which I'm super excited about, so I'll be using that in a future video, so make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on. They also sent me a foam trigger, and they sent the Tough Task cleaner and degreaser, and that's the product that I'm going to be using today in this video. And they also sent a hat and a t-shirt for appreciation of me using this product today, and I'm so excited. And yeah, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is the top of my refrigerator, and it has just really been collecting a lot of junk and stuff that I just really didn't know where to put, so it's going to be pretty dusty and greasy up there. I just know it. But that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking stuff down, and you're going to see a little mishap right here. I'm going to try to be putting that big old Amazon box that's full of Halloween candy, and it falls off the island, but I didn't fall, so let's just be grateful for that. So as you can see, there is dust everywhere, and contrary to what you were looking at, it is very greasy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am gonna be doing a finger test so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. You can still see where everything was just sitting up top of the refrigerator, and it's just bad. So let's get into it. It is recommended to dilute this product because it is a very aggressive cleaner, but I am going to be using this full strength in this video because I just know that the things in the areas that I'm going to be cleaning, it is just super intense with caked on grease, and it's just been there for so long. I just wanted everything to be off as quickly as possible, because it is recommended that you, if you are working in large areas, that you do not let this product dry on. It could be very damaging to your areas of the home, so make sure that you are testing it first in an inconspicuous area, something or someplace that you're not going to see right away. So that is what I would do first. Spray it somewhere, wipe it off, make sure it doesn't damage your items or anything. This product can be used indoor or outdoor on appliances, your grill, oh my god, you name it, a pre-soak. It's amazing. There's so many uses for this product, so I know that it's going to be used a lot in this house, but it does work better with cold water. So when you are diluting this product, make sure you're gonna use cold water. It doesn't have to be distilled or anything like that, just cold. And as you can see, it looks so clean. I'm gonna also be doing the finger test again. Actually, I'm gonna be using 4 fingers just so you guys know that it doesn't leave any residue. So if you're looking at my fingers, they're just as dry as they want to be. I probably need some lotion at this point. So make sure you are using gloves also with this product, because it is super intense and drying to the hand. But moving on to the top of my cabinets, there's bugs, dust, and grease. As far as the eye can see, it's pretty bad, y'all. I'm super embarrassed, but this is honest, and I'm sure I'm not the only one, because you guys know there's woods and trees all behind my house, and bugs and stuff just fly right on in and make their home, and they come here to die. So again, with the finger test, it's super greasy, but I'm still using this full strength. I do think that in the future I may dilute this product, because now I know that it's a great product. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I will be using it continuously, but I will dilute it the next time. I just wanted to make sure that I clean my spaces thoroughly. I really just thought it would be easier to vacuum up all the bugs before I used the product up here, because I just didn't want to deal with the extra mess of it all. So that is my tip to you if you are in the same situation as far as cleaning the top of your cabinets. Vacuum, sweep, whatever you have to do to remove the bugs and debris before you wipe this product off. I'm finishing up this whole area here, and I just really wanted you guys to know the struggle that was going on with getting all the way up here. It was, y'all, it was a workout, because and it's kind of scary, and I'm not actually afraid of heights, but just being up on my countertops was kind of frightening, because what if I fall? I have 2 kids. It would have been a disaster. But anyway, nothing bad happened. I actually have my little helper help me, sometimes handing me the vacuum and taking it away from me. So Lucas came in clutch for this video.
But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Think you're messing with the wrong.
Let me know down in the comment section, what is the first area of your home that you will be using this product in? Is it going to be in your laundry as a pre-soak? Is it going to be in the kitchen? Is it going to be your grill? Because spring is here and people are going to be having cookouts. So just let me know. Next time, moving on to my appliances, because that is also something that you can use this product on. And again, I am still using it full strength. My oven and my stove was very greasy. I am just cleaning the stove top. I'm not actually using it in my oven in this video, but nevertheless, it was super greasy because we cooked sausages and hamburgers, and y'all know that is a greasy experience. And it is so shiny, because when you have black appliances, sometimes it's just hard to get that streaky look to not be so evident, and this did it. My microwave looks brand new. My stove looks great. So yeah, I will be using this again on my appliances, but I will dilute it because now I know that it's so strong, but I like it. And this is me trying to figure out how am I going to pull this oven away from the wall. It was very difficult, and it didn't happen. I just couldn't do it. I don't know whether it was because it was so closely built to the counters, but the bottom part just wasn't budging, and it wasn't heavy. Even though it looks like I'm struggling, it wasn't hard to budge. It just wasn't moving at all. So yeah, this is something that you will not see today in this video, but in a future video I will clean behind this stove. It is now my mission because I felt defeated. So make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss it. The next best thing was my microwave vents, because you guys know that they are super greasy, and if you are not washing them and you're not taking care of them, something bad may happen. I don't know what it will be, but it could still happen. So anyway, I'm going to pre-soak them in this product, and I have a little piece of paper towel underneath so there's some contrast so you can see everything. I didn't want to do this on top of the countertops because Lucas was in the kitchen with me, and the last thing I needed was for him to get in contact with this product because it could be dangerous for the eyes, skin. It's very harmful, so I didn't want him to get hurt in any way. And immediately, as soon as the product touched the vent, it was degreasing because my fingers were super greasy. So I'm just adding a little bit more just to make sure that they are fully coated. And 5 minutes later, you can see the grease just coming off, and it's right around the edges. You can see it's this brownish yellow color, and it's so satisfying to see that grease coming off. But I did let it sit another 5 minutes, and then I just thoroughly rinsed them both, and I let them dry, and I just put them right back. Okay guys, so I cleaned everything that I said I was gonna clean except for behind the oven, and y'all saw the struggle was really real. So I will have to wait till Sugarfoot can lend a helping hand on moving that from the wall so I can clean back there. But I really did enjoy the product, so big thank you to Super Clean for sending me these products and giving me the opportunity to share this with my audience. So if you enjoyed the video today, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are new here. And also, I will have the link to this product down in my description box, so if you are interested in it and you saw the magic happen and you enjoyed it as much as I did, you are able to buy it for yourself. And thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.